99% of people aren't watching their media in the best way possible, but this KODI setup fixes that. KODI is a free media player that can turn any device into a powerful streaming hub, and when you pair it with Real-Debrid and the right add-ons, it unlocks a massive library of high-quality content just for the price of a coffee. I'm personally doing this on my computer using the Windows version, but it also works on a laptop, Android phones, and more. If you're on a phone, I personally recommend using an Android device, but it also does work on Apple. You just need to use a different downloader. If you're trying to set this up on your TV, you don't need a computer to be on 24/7 for this to work. KODI and Stremio can run directly off of the TV or phone that you're using, no 24/7 server needed. First, go to kodi.tv/download and download your version. If you want to stream this on your TV, you're gonna want a streaming stick. I use a Fire Stick, and I'll show you how to set KODI up on that as well at the end of this video. To actually watch stuff, you're gonna need add-ons. These are like apps inside of KODI, and the best one right now is The Crew. To download it, you're gonna open KODI, go to Settings, File Manager, and then double-click Add Source. And then you're gonna paste in this link and name it The Crew. Now you're gonna go back and open up add-ons and click Install from zip file, and then choose The Crew. And then go to Install Repository and also install the Crew add-on. If you ever run into issues with The Crew, you can also install Homelander from that repository download as a backup add-on. The setup is very similar, and it just gives you a second option to stream from. Just a heads up, sometimes a stream might show the wrong episode. That's a provider issue, not a setup issue. It occasionally happens, especially with some newer shows. Now, let's hook up Real-Debrid. This is the service that gives you access to premium quality streaming links. Basically, it makes your add-ons 10 times more powerful. Go to realdebrid.com and make an account. Choose a subscription plan. Most people start out with the 16-day or 90-day option, and it's around $3 to $4 a month depending on how long you go. Once your subscription's set up, go back to KODI and go to the add-on that you're using, like The Crew. Inside the add-on, go to the Tools section. Then choose Open Menu Settings and navigate to the Accounts tab. Scroll down to the Real-Debrid section and click Authorize or reauthorize my account. A link and a code will pop up, and then you follow the link to realdebrid.com/device and enter that code and approve it. Once that's done, Real-Debrid is now integrated fully into KODI. Here's how you can start watching what you want. Inside KODI, go to your add-ons and choose the add-on you installed, like The Crew or Homeland. Once you go inside the add-on, you'll see sections like Movies, TV, or Search. From there, you can navigate to what you want. It's a little bit clunky, but it works great. KODI isn't like Netflix. You go through add-ons directly, and each one has its own layout. If you're sharing KODI with others, you can also set up separate profiles. Go to Settings, Profile, and you can add a new profile and customize what they see. It's amazing for families or roommates, especially if you want separate watch lists or settings on the same device. If you're setting everything up on only your Fire Stick, you can start right here. On your Fire Stick, make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is enabled. If you need help, there's a video on my page walking you through how to do that. Go to the App Store, install Downloader, and then go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and enable Downloader as a source. From there, open Downloader and go to kodi.tv/download, and this time, instead of downloading the Windows version, you're going to download the Android ARM v7a version. Follow the prompts it has, and then hit install. Once you have KODI installed on your Fire Stick, you'll basically follow the exact same steps that we followed in this tutorial. Just a heads up, you'll need to set this up every single device you want to use KODI on. If it's just you and one TV, I actually recommend using Stremio. It's cleaner, faster, syncs everything across devices, and I have a full setup for that on my page as well. If you got multiple people accessing one device, like a living room TV, and you want to separate watch histories and profiles, KODI is going to be the better option for that TV specifically. That's the full setup for KODI in just a few minutes.